Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a cold. Can you recommend some medicine?
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not allergic.
Do you have a fever?
No, just a runny nose and cough.
Would you like tablets or syrup?
Tablets, please.
How many days have you been sick?
About 3 days.
Are you taking any other medicine?
No, just vitamins.
Do you want anything for your sore throat?
Yes, something to soothe it, please.
Here are some lozenges. Would you like to try these?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a prescription?
No, I just want over-the-counter medicine.
How often should I take the tablets?
Take 1 tablet 3 times a day after meals.
Should I avoid any food or drinks?
Avoid cold drinks for now.
Can children take this medicine?
No, it's for adults only.
How much is everything?
It's 150,000 VND in total.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.